Hi, my name is Abby Church. I currently live in a small town in central Kansas called McPherson, Kansas. I work for our school district in the early childhood program. I am one of the assistant directors for our program. We serve two counties. So, my lens for this class is coming from the perspective of coaching, professional development. Um, how can I help our staff learn more about how to apply the different applications of Google in a more effective and quicker and efficient way, as well as helping me come up with new ideas for trainings and professional development. I think a lot of us after last year had to really learn how to quickly provide that all of those virtually, and so we're kind of doing a hybrid of both. And so I still would love to learn more ways to be to have those trainings be more engaging and applicable. And so I'm just excited to learn about everyone's experiences and the resources that comes with using Google. I also have two younger daughters, 10 and 7. I graduated from Kansas State a long time ago with a degree in early childhood education. And so last spring was my first semester in the MIT program and was one of my first times attending an online class. And so I feel like I am slowly starting to learn the process for that. And it still feels a little different for me to wake up the morning classes are starting and not attend class in person. And so, but I'm enjoying it. I'm learning a lot of fun and new resources from all of my classmates. And so I look forward to working with you all this semester.